Hey guys, today we're going to show you everything you need about values. So the values, there are lots of them, and the only difference between them is that there are different data types. It's value property. So the first thing we're gonna teach you about is the value property. Basically, this is the value that's stored inside of the value, and it can be a number, integer, whatever, depending on what kind of value this is. There's also the changed event, which is different from the normal changed event in instances. As we can see, it's the value, not the property name. So I can just show you that easily by running it. Okay, so when I try to change this value here, see, it printed out it. Now if I change it to 100, it printed it out again. So that was pretty much it for this video. This is all about values. Everything else is just, well, it inherited from the instance, which I might make another tutorial about. That was it for this video. If you found it helpful, then dislike if you didn't like the video, subscribe if you want more Roblox Studio tutorials, comment, and goodbye.